everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to clone viral videos easily with Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI tool that will help you create videos or even images fast and easily, even if you have zero editing skills. First, just open Pippit AI website. I already put the website link in the descriptions and pinned comment, so just click it there. And then next, just go to the video generation. And then next just go to the video generator, this one. And then in here, after that, just upload your reference video by click this icon, this lamp icon. And then next just click upload videos like this. And then next you can write your prompt in here, over here, to describe how you want the video to look. Or if you want something easier, just use the auto prompt feature just use the auto prompt that appears inside this prompt box. And in this tutorial, I'm using this simple auto prompt. So next, just choose your AI model. In here, I want to choose Pippit standard, and then just choose your ratio, and then choose your language. You can also add subtitles in here, and then adjust the length of videos. And when you're done about the settings, just click on submit. And okay, your viral styles video is ready. Let's just take a look. Okay, like this. The result, it looks so good, it's so incredible, and it's similar with the reference that looks like this one. It's a little bit similar like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.